In this video, I'll show you how to connect a bank account to QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and go to Accounting, then Bank Transactions. Intuit's current help says, this is where you connect bank and credit card accounts and manage imported transactions. If this is your first connection, click Connect Account. If you already connected another account before, click Link Account instead. Next, search for your bank in the list. Intuit says you can search by the bank name, and if needed, even try searching with the bank's website URL. Once you find the right bank, select it and enter your online banking username and password. Then follow the on-screen prompts, because some banks require an extra security check before the connection is approved. After that, choose the specific bank account or accounts you want to connect, like checking or savings. QuickBooks then lets you link each one to an existing account in your books, or create a new one if needed. When you confirm, QuickBooks imports your transactions and sends you back to the bank transactions page so you can review, match, and categorize them. If your bank doesn't appear, Intuit says you can request support for that provider from the search screen. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.